How can I create a new task on TaskDin? I'll open the app, then by clicking on the plus icon in the middle of the taskbar at the bottom of the screen, the Create Task page will be opened. I'll start filling in the task's information, task title, then task description, which I'll write in it what the task is all about in detail, and I can even record a voice note for further clarification of the task before starting it. Then, the definition of done is where I can determine the criteria of finishing the task. For example, in this task, I wrote that the reports must be sent to the tasks chat, which means that the employee can't close the task except after sending over the reports in the tasks chat. Then, I start choosing the start date of the task, then the time with hours, minutes, and AM or PM, and also the same thing with choosing the end date of the task, with time in hours, minutes, and AM or PM. Then I start choosing the expected time needed by the employee to finish the task. And I can choose the priority of the task, whether it's high, normal, or low. This helps the employee to set his own priorities regarding his tasks. Then I choose the assignee, and here I can choose more than one employee if the tasks need more than only one, or even if they're going to work on the task as teamwork. Here I can create a to-do list if the task contains more than one step to complete it, so the employee won't forget any detail of the task. I can also upload an attachment if needed by the employee to help him complete his task. For the repetition of the task, I can choose whether I want the task to be repeated daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. In this task, I want it to be repeated once weekly only. Then I'll choose the end date of the repetition of the task. By now, I finished all the details of the task. I'll click on Create the Task, then a notification will arrive notifying me that the task is created. Now I'll click on the Sent icon from the taskbar, and there I'll find my created task and some features of the task will appear. A chat will be automatically created after the creation of the task. Also, I can add other employees to the task if I forgot to add them while creating it, or even if the task needs more employees to add. I can also stop the repetition of the task if I ever needed to end it. And finally, I can delete the task. And by that, we've known all the details and features of creating a task on TaskDin.